Welcome to Kids Planet Safari!
Come on friends, it's time to move. Find the rhythm, feel the groove. Follow every animal's way. Let's get stronger as we play. Stretch like a rainbow cat, stretch up high, touch the sky. Rainbow cat says give it a try. Arms up, arms down, nice and slow. Feel your tiny muscles grow. Hop like a sparkle bunny, hop, hop, hop. Just 1, 2, 3. Sparkle bunny giggles, follow me. Bunny hops across the floor. Stop and smile, hop some more. Twist like a twirly panda, twirly panda twists left and right. Moving gently, feeling light. Twist your body round and round. Laugh if your feet make a funny sound. Fly like a glitter bird, flap your wings, glide side to side. Glitter bird is your magic guide. Soft flaps, big flaps, swoosh the air. Fly like a bird everywhere. March like a happy Dino, march, march, march with Dino feet. Lift your knees to a happy beat. Left foot, right foot, march in place. Happy Dino leads the race. Curl and stretch like a tiny hedgehog. Curl in small, then stretch out tall. Tiny hedgehog shows it all. Hug yourself, then open wide. Big smile shining side to side. Wiggle like a jelly tiger, wiggle, wiggle side to side. Jelly tiger is your silly guide. Shake your arms and wiggle your knees. Move your body like the breeze. Roar and pose like a gentle lion. Soft little roar, not loud, not wild. Gentle lion smiles, brave, strong child. Hands like paws in front, then wide. Stand up tall with pride inside. Step and splash like a happy hippo. Step, step, step with hippo feet. Tap the ground to a splashy beat. Move your hands like water flows. Hippo laughs with wiggly toes. Reach up tall like a giraffe. Reach up high, feel the sky. Giraffe says try, don't be shy. Stretch your fingers long and wide. Grow like me, stand side by side. Swing, swing like a silly monkey. Swing your arms from side to side. Silly monkey is your guide. Bounce a little, bend your knees. Dance around like jungle breeze. Slow walk like a tiny turtle. Walk, 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 slow and sweet. Turtle taps his tiny feet. Take small steps along the floor. Nice and steady, nothing more. You stretched and hopped and twisted too. Flapped and marched and curled on cue. Wiggled, roared, splashed, reached up tall. Swung and walked, you did it all. Magic animals cheer and say, great job, friends, you moved today. Clap your hands and shout, hooray! We'll move again another day.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos!